Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is making sure that bass can be heard on small speaker devices. I have my mix here and it has lots of full range loveliness. Let's have a listen. Now I'm using an EQ to simulate the effect of small speakers, so I'm using this particular one, Surfer EQ, because it has a nice gentle roll off which simulates my small speaker quite nicely. And as soon as we bring that in, we can hear that our low end drops out of our mix. Now to get round that, I can use saturation to generate those extra harmonics on my bass to make it audible to people listening on small speaker devices. So I've just soloed that up. Now it sounds like quite a lot at the moment, but I can use this band split here to dial in the required amount. And of course, once it's back in the mix, it will sound less extreme. But this basically leaves the low end intact, and I'm generating my upper harmonics using the mid band upwards or thereabouts. And I can also play around with the levels as well. Until I get the desired effect, but of course this is all about context. So with the EQ still across my mix, we can hear that the bass is definitely less audible. But as soon as I bring the distortion back in, it helps to bring the bass out. And then if I take the high pass filter out and play my full range mix, we can hear that we have a sound that works across a full range system as well. To find out more about making bass more audible on small speaker devices, head over to the Production Expert blog where you can read our full article.